page 29. Just bring the reader so you know which one we're talking about, okay? Oh, by the way, my secretary misspelled the word. It should say summary. Oh gosh, he said he put some memory. Okay, I'm gonna fire him. All right, since we have done with, we're done with the first part, we'll do only the second part, where it says derivatives, guys, okay? Okay. So, guys, you don't know, but it was at 3 o'clock. We started at 3 o'clock. We already finished the first part.
I have 4 written down.
Really? I'm just kidding. We haven't started.
Okay, right.
Okay. So ready? Open your reader, page 29, and the best piece is to focus, mocus. On page 29, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to solve the problem on the board. You don't copy, and I'll give you time to copy, okay, guys? So you really understand, okay? But actually, the way it works is as follows. Try to do it in teams of 2 people. The first problem, and I'm going to give you probably 2 minutes. Regardless, I'm going to do it for you on the board, okay, guys? But I would like you to try it for 2 minutes. Problem AA, all right? Go ahead. In teams of 2 people. 1, 2, 3, start. It really helps. It really helps. And talk to each other. Maybe you want to rewrite it, right, guys, before solving it? Talk to each other, all right? 2 people. Are you in my class?
Nope. I'm the peer leader for Calculus 1. And I'm still working, and everyone came to the session, so I was figuring this
All
would
right.
be a good experience.
Okay, good, man. All right, guys, work in teams of 2 people, and it really helps if you try it.
All right. Well, the other thing I was thinking.
You're supposed to be loud.
We can change this into, we can like put this in parentheses. And then move this up and make this whole thing times 2x to the negative 3. No, that would just be here. Just the negative 3. Now we do this 2 terms. And then we can do separate integrals for each.
Yeah, that's right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I did like that.
Oh, wait a minute. I forgot about the quotient rule. That's what we're supposed to do. We do the quotient
No,
rule.
these are integrals.
Oh, yeah,
Quotient rule applies only for derivatives.
You're right. But we could, okay, so let's start off.
I think you might be right. The first time you said.
Yeah, so the whole thing in parentheses, 5x. 5 plus 3x squared. Plus x to the 1/2. When you're doing integrals, when is it you separate them? Do you separate them by things that are multiplied, or do you separate them by things that are added?
Yeah, I think that's already. This is just pretty good.
Back to our first job.
I told you I don't know how to do that. That's why I didn't do it.
I'm just taking what?
Yeah, I think that one's great. I'm sorry, Right.
Oh, wait a minute, there's
Why
an
have
example right
Ellen?
here. Shit, you were doing it right.
What is the
first
actual
time.
1
This
over
example.
x?
1 over x.
Let's split up like this.
1 over x is x to the
And
negative
then
1.
you do your, I think what
And use the special
I think
rule.
it's correct, because you can't just start crossing them
Oh,
off
1 dx?
with one
Where's the 1?
bottom there. But I think that you're
That's
saying
why I
is right,
said-
like I think you do multiply
You
this.
take the 3 over 2 out, and then this
Rather
is
than that.
1
But if you do, you
over
still have to move it in as a
x
problem.
over x
Oh.
cubed.
If you do that,
There's
You
x
still
over
have
x,
to-
x, x, so then,
you still have to move
Cancel
this
when you
term
have
into
1
here, you
over
have to like
x.
factor it in.
Did I write it
No matter
squared?
what way you do it. It might be, oh, is that what you're doing?
Oh, wait, never mind,
It
never
would
mind,
work
it's
the
this
same
way.
way, I guess.
Yeah, you're gonna.
You have 1
It's
over
so
x left, and I just
Yeah,
changed
okay.
it to the integral of x to the
It
negative 1.
in, yeah.
Oh, I just left it as
Exponents add.
1 over x,
Yeah,
and
the
then
last one
the
doesn't
integral
have
of that
an
is
exponent,
ln
so-
of x.
Rewrite again.
I think I missed something. I got over 4.
Because you did positive 1.
Oh.
Oh, I know why, because we're subtracting it. We're subtracting the x's. Yeah, so there'll be left an x at the bottom.
Yeah, so that's why it's minus.
Yeah, that's like.
Gotcha.
Well, I don't know. No, you're they cancel out. So this would just be. I know. So
when
this
you
would be a
factor
1
out-
here, and this would be gone.
Don't
Yeah.
you do addition and
And then when you
subtraction
flip
for
it,
the?
it turns
extra
to
negative one, yeah.
one. Why do we
But
have
why? But it's, we have the integral right
X
here.
is 0
1
is
over
1.
x equals 1 of x.
so 1 over x?
But I don't know.
You're on a roll there.
Oh my god, you took a picture of your notebook like 10 times
Bro.
already. You did.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
But it's funny that I'm doing this always.
You took a picture of your book.
Dude, I feel like I got the wrong ones already. I don't
Let
know
me
what-
see. Is it? Am I not? This is not right. Since it's x
Well, that's minus one.
that was 1 over x. Right. So then I just changed it
Very
over
easy to
x
start.
to the negative 1 problem. Is that right? Or is it ln of
Does that
x?
mean what? Yeah.
All right, guys, time up. Time up. Oh, there's an extra chair for if you are on the floor or something. There's an extra chair right here. Can I move you?
Yes.
I'm gonna move it right here. Wait.
You put it under the table or something?
Okay, like this. It's kind of attached to your chair.
Oh.
Got it. You can sit right there.
You're gonna be like, right?
All right, is it recording? Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Integral. Please help me, guys. I forgot. What is it? 3.
It's 5x.
It's fine, let's do
It's 5x.
Oh, 5x. 5.
X to the power of 5 plus 3x squared plus 3x plus the square root of x minus 8 over 2x cubed.
X cubed. So let's see what you did. Did you do the following? Did you break it up, guys?
Yes.
So you do like 5x to the 5 plus 3x squared plus 3x plus x to the 1/2 minus 8 and then times 1/2 x to the minus 3. You can do that or you can do it in little pieces. So you go like this. So maybe this is what you did. You got 5/2 integral of x to the 2. Did you get that one, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because it's 5 times 1/2, it's 5/2 goes outside. 5 minus 3 is 2. You add the exponents and then plus 3/2 the integral of, please help me guys,
X to negative 1.
x to the negative 1, right? That's a special integral. Do you recognize it, guys?
It's 1 over x,
Or 1 over x, right? But the answer is going to be
natural log.
natural log of absolute value, right? Plus 3 times the integral, no, 3/2 the integral of x to the negative 2. Did you get it, guys?
Yeah.
Plus 1/2 integral of x to the, and then you add to the fraction 1/2 minus 3. How much is 1/2 minus 3? You do like this. How much is 1? And then minus 6, right? Divided by 2, which is negative 5/2. Plus, finally, plus 8 over 2. I know that that's a 4, but just x to the minus 3 dx. Do you think you can take it from here, guys, or you want me to finish it up, guys?
Let's finish it up.
Okay, equals 5/2 x cubed over 3. Right? So far? Plus 3/2. What's this integral? This is a special integral. What is it? Ln absolute value of x plus 3/2 x to the negative 1 over negative 1, because you add 1 to that exponent, you add 1, plus 1/2 x to the, how much is negative 5/2 plus 1? You add them up, how much is it? Negative 3/2 divided by negative 3/2. You can simplify it if you wish. Plus 4, because 8 over 2 is 4. X to the, you add 1 to negative 3, negative 2. And that's the final answer. You can add plus C if you wish, but that's the final answer. How many of you got the whole answer right? Raise your hand all the way up. Nice. All right. Did you screw up with the logarithm, guys?
Yes.
Or did you screw up with the fraction? I think the logarithm. Okay, so, all right, finish it up quickly. Quickly, finish it up. Fast, because we need to move to the second one. If I were you, you can probably just take a picture and then move on the second one. You see what I mean, guys? Work on the second one. Normally you write it, so you kind of learn how to do it. And this is supposed to be an easy integral, right, guys? Because it's only the power rule. Yes, you can simplify. If you simplify, that's extra points, but that's the answer.
Oh, good question.
I'm testing your calculus, not your algebra. Yes, sir.
Should the plus sign in front of the 8 over 2, shouldn't that be a minus? Because it's minus 8?
Oh my goodness! Very good job.
That was actually
man.
Brandon that figured that out.
Gosh.
Or that
Yeah,
noticed that.
you are right. Because this is coming from here, right? Yeah. All right, man. Yeah, if you have like out of 20 points, I would have gotten like probably 18 points, only because of the minus, right? That's not a big deal. 18 points is a lot, right? So I did good in this problem, right, guys? Yes.
So what if for the exam you try to simplify, but we don't do it correctly?
Oh, don't worry, that's fine. If you show me this and you do an extra step, I'll focus on this one.
Okay.
But if you simplify and you ask me for a letter of recommendation later, I'm gonna say that you are a good student, man. Very good student. Ready? All right. Next problem. Start working in teams, guys. Start working in teams. 2 people. And for the people who arrive late, you need to start working in teams of 2 people. Fast. All right, Beisaco. Work here. Right. 1, 2, 3. Start.
So now you're supposed
You
to
can
plug
work with her.
the 6 in, and then you put the negative 2 in, and then you subtract 1 from the other. I'm pretty sure that's
We don't
how
really
you do this. Remember that? I think that was.
You have only 1 minute because this problem is so fast.
You're looking at everything. Give us.
No, I have a question.
On this one.
Oh, this is on the second, on the problem we're doing right now.
Yeah, you take the integral of each one, and then you subtract one from the other by plugging that number in. So you take the integral.
Yeah.
What do we do then?
Sorry? You square roots over the whole thing, so that would make it 1/2 instead of. Wait a minute. Oh, well, the square root and the square cancel out.
But that's only around what's in parentheses, it's not around the entire term.
Well, you could take because the square root of 16 is 4, right?
Yeah, but this cancel because this square here does not apply to the entire
X minus 2 to the second.
Yeah, but I'm saying that this term, the square root of this term is x minus 2. The square root of 16 is 4. So it'd be 4.
Alright, guys,
minus
work
this
it
term,
out.
I think.
You're supposed to talk to each other and be loud. You're supposed to be loud.
Maybe. I'm not sure what the rule is with the minus in between them though.
Yeah, I don't know.
You did it?
What tutor?
I feel like I'm always on the verge of knowing.
I don't know if I
But like, not quite
With a
yet.
tutor?
Oh, just take
So,
this class.
I wanna know how he's good.
For sure.
I can't remember even the basics.
Yeah. I should remember. I took pre-calculus last semester. So,
I mean, what you're saying makes sense.
Who has an idea about this problem? Who has an idea?
I have a question.
Alright, sir. Yeah, what's your idea?
Find the area.
Very good, that's why I wrote area. Area, very good. Under what? Under y equals what? Remember the first problems that we did, guys? Like, remember from like 2 to 5, for example, x squared dx. This is what? This was the area under which function? Remember these ones, guys? From which function was that? The parabola, right? This is y equals x squared. From where to where? From 2 to 5, right? Like this. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
That's the same problem, okay? Let's do it like that. Let's do it like in a picture. This is the area. From where to where, guys?
Negative 2 to 6.
From -2 all the way up to 6. Of which function? Which function, guys?
Circle.
Y equals what? Help me, guys. Y equals square root of 16 minus x minus 2 squared. You say, what the heck? I don't know what that is. So to recognize this, you say, oh shit. How do we do it, guys? You square both sides. When you square both sides, what do you get?
Y squared.
Y squared equals 16 minus x minus 2 squared. Do you still recognize that or not yet?
Yeah.
Not yet. Maybe some people get it, but some people don't. What do you do to both sides right now? What did you do, guys, to this equation? You move it to the other side by adding. So you have x minus 2 squared plus y squared equals 16. You recognize that equation, guys? Not yet? Okay, let me write it again. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 4 squared. Do you recognize it right now or not yet, guys? Starts with C. Circle. Of radius what? Or circumference, right? Of radius. So it's a circumference, right? Circumference of radius what? What's the radius of this circumference, guys?
16. 8, 4.
4 is right here. Center at, what's the center of the circle? Of this circle?
2, 0.
2, 0. So go to 2, 0. That's the center of and the radius is 4. So you move 4 to the left, 4 to the right, and go ahead and draw the circle. Okay, don't write, guys, don't write, so you understand it faster. Now, if these were like 2 square roots here, it will be the whole circle. But because it's only the positive square root of the circle, the positive square root, it's only the upper part. If it were negative, we would be working with the lower part of the circle. But this is a positive square root, so you go ahead and erase this. You see what I mean, guys? Why are we erasing again?
It's only working with the positive.
Exactly. So you shade it. Everyone in this classroom knows what the area of a circle is. Everyone in the world knows, except one person. Right? And what is that area of a circle? It starts with pa. It's not papa. It starts with pa. Pi. Very good. Pi times. Oh shoot, you forgot, right? What's the area of a circle? Pi r squared. In this case, 4 squared. But this will be the area of the whole circle, and I don't want that. What's what I want? Half of that. And that's the answer. Got it. Alright. Alright, guys, now you can go ahead and copy. So this problem is not about formulas, it's about interpretation of the integral, right? The integral means the area under a curve when the function is greater than or equal to 0. So it's about interpretation. What the heck is the integral? The integral represents an area. So you go ahead and draw it. Yes, sir?
Where did you find the sensor? Or how did you find the sensor?
Right here. Actually, the general formula for a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Center is h comma k, right? That's the general formula. Include that in your formulary, man, because that's important, right? Under the section geometry. All right. Ready, guys? Ready? Ready? You think you can do another problem like this? Yeah? Do you want me to write it? Write it just to test you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Faster, but you have to do it fast in teams, super fast, okay?
I'm checking. Relax. Checking that if they're empty. They're not. They're already empty. Yeah. I noticed that. Yeah.
All right, go ahead and do that. That one, guys. All right, who wants to do it on the board? Who wants to do it?
No, I won't.
All right, sir, you're the man. All right, man. If you want to help, maybe you can say here y equals something, and then you do a little picture if you wish. Oh my goodness, sir. The notebook you have is the same type of notebook. Let me see your notebook. Let me see your notebook. Just put it right there, man. I think you can do it. Go for it.
So y equals square root of 4.
What would you do to both sides of the question, guys? What would you do?
Square root.
Square. Then what do you use both sides, guys?
You add x minus 3 squared.
So,
The left side will be x minus 3 squared plus y minus 0 squared.
and then what should do next?
Turn the 4 into a 2 squared.
2 squared, so. And then,
And then you like
plus y minus 0.
what?
Y minus 0.
Square minus 0.
Are
Okay.
you following, guys?
I'll draw a picture for you guys.
I think the girl that is sitting on the floor, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 5. Oops. Maybe it's like
That doesn't look like us.
2.
Somebody bumped it.
Alright, I don't see the center, I don't see the center.
The
of
3 will be the
circle.
center.
5? Because
And then,
Why did you go from 1 through 5, guys?
Because that's the area that we're trying
The
to.
radius, no, because the radius
for the
is
radius.
2. So you go the center, you go 2 units to the right and then 2 units to the left, right? So 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, right?
because the radius is 2, so you go 2 to
That looks like a Pokemon, man.
This is 3.
Alright.
So go
okay,
2.
and then,
So it's pi times the radius squared divided by 2 since
But
it's
put it
half
here,
squared.
man, put it here.
okay. 5, 2 squared divided by 2. So what, 2?
2 times 2 is, yeah, pretty much 2 pi.
Pi times 2 or 2 pi, right?
Can we just leave it?
Ta-da!
Alright, give a clap to Sorb, alright? This is the center of the circle. 3, 0, right? 3,
You
0.
good? No?
Alright, guys. Alright, problem number 3. Go to problem number 3, super fast.
Yeah.
Trigonometry, we did something similar in class, huh? So you should be able, okay, 2 people, super fast. 2 people. He's kind of shy. Can you just-
The original ones, yeah.
So that's the easy one.
So what you do is basically
Distribute.
distribute. So you can take
It turns
What
out
you
because
sent me
the,
earlier,
you're
what
supposed
he
to
did,
do,
did you get that
the answer
or no?
is the,
So
pi times,
what you would do
2
is-
pi r squared.
Because
But you
if
divide it by 2 because it's only half.
let me see
You're only doing the
his
other half.
paper again, because yeah, like what does, why is it this ascendant secant squared?
I think you have to use a,
It's
yes,
the
sir.
same thing.
So these
That's the same
questions,
thing.
would you always make it so that
Sine of
the
it.
circle starts and
It'd be the
ends at the
same
limits
if
of
we
integration?
take the.
Yeah, they need to verify that it does because
He's just doing this as
uh,
a. he puts
hopefully
it
I will
in
not make a
terms of
mistake.
U
Mm-hmm.
and it fits nicely.
It's gonna be-
But in this case, it's beautiful that it kind of matches up. But if they have
Okay,
different
so I pretty
limits,
much, wait, I got the same
and the limit,
answer.
I mean,
as
here
that.
these points don't match, they need to be aware that that's not an easy problem.
Take the integral of that, that's your answer. I mean, you did it right.
Okay,
That's the right answer.
I wasn't, because
derivative
I
of
haven't seen
constant
him
zero.
do that.
He hasn't done it.
Oh,
Yeah.
integral
Gotcha, okay, so, but the rest
is
is.
the opposite of
Essentially, it's all
derivative, so the
right, yeah.
integral of 1 is x.
Okay.
That's derivative.
Yeah, I wasn't
So
sure,
the integral
like,
of 1
when
should
I was
be
looking at that, I
x.
started copying it at home, and then I was
Is
like,
derivative
okay.
of a constant? I don't know.
This one right here.
That's a good question.
Well, it's not.
We should definitely write this down.
Yeah, if there's no
Yeah.
x
This is not
in
something
there,
that we have on our
I
formulary.
don't know,
that
that'd be
he's
a question for
given us.
him.
I'm
That's a
wondering
good question.
if he write that down though today or
What
no.
pertains to this problem, I'm not sure if he wrote it on the.
Right. I see what you mean.
Yeah, before it went out. So you're gonna
No, I
have to
don't
put
think I
3 to
did.
9.
Hmm. Do we factor it first, maybe?
Put the integral of x squared. That's what I was looking for.
What are you doing, the next one, guys? We go to tangent and then square it.
Or
Right, go ahead, guys, yes. Oh, you did it?
Yeah.
She's ahead of you.
What about when you find the log
We spent hours on this already.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Dr. G, come on, man.
I think
These people already finished the problem, I think.
Yeah, dude. Crazy people get the program I have on this tablet, man, is awesome.
I remember
No,
this
we went-
class now, okay.
We went over to like,
DX.
I'm pretty sure it's over.
The integral of,
We're basically working everything out.
3 times 3 is 9.
Basically comparing with this and then how you would do it to yours.
210
I don't
Use
know.
word,
times
use word,
3
right?
is
Like
6.
nine.
Yeah, I see like 610 and 610 is 12.
Did you use word?
Yeah, we did it.
You did it? But it's different from the one in class. Because this got different words.
Yeah.
Just like that?
I mean,
And then the tan squared x.
I did.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, show me.
Secant squared.
Show me, guys, what is it?
Oh, the 3?
Yeah?
Well, I use the boxes.
Alright, 3 plus 2 tangent of x.
Squared.
And
I
then
can draw a quick graph.
plus.
Tan x minus x.
Yeah.
Alright, tell me.
Oh,
gonna
I
be
see what you do with that.
Tangent goes down,
Well, what about just regular tan x? What about 12
The other one
tan
is
x?
gonna be
but it goes up to
6 tangent.
something.
Natural log of
6
x.
tangent.
12 times the natural
No.
log of x. Tan of x.
So add them, add them.
Oh, add them first?
Look, like.
Yeah.
Well, integral of 9 should just be 9, right?
Natural log of secant.
Oh, it's 6 tangent.
Hang on.
When you add them
Natural
up,
log of secant.
12.
well.
Yeah.
This is a rule. Plus, and what's the last one?
4 tangent
Oh,
square.
tan of x is secant squared x.
So, but why was
So-
this?
Well, he did it that way because
That's
that's how you would take the derivative.
12
And
That's just the way that he
Then
shows
replace
us how to
tangent
get to
square.
it.
plus.
He shows us
Tangent
why
like
it
1
is that he
plus
gets
tangent
it.
square.
Since we have this in our
X
formula,
equals
we
Yeah.
know that right off the bat.
Is that
So
log?
The integral tangent x.
It's
No.
it's secant
Becomes
square.
negative.
Right? So you solve for
So it could be
tangent of
either
x, tangent
secant
square of
of
x
x or
Yes.
equals
Secant.
secant square. So you're going to replace
Okay,
this
that
guy
makes
by
secant squared x
secant
minus
of
one.
x minus 1, right?
Yes.
There's a 2 like affecting both, right?
Yeah.
So when you split the integral, you get you get like 1, 2, 3, 4 integrals, right? You're going to have the integral of 9
Plus logarithm.
plus actually the 9 goes outside. Do you agree?
Yes, I put them on the side.
Plus
And then 12 goes outside.
12
Integral.
integrals of tangent of x.
So you did that
Yes.
part 1
Then this 4 is affecting both, right? Plus 4 integral, like this is 4 times, you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So 4 times
I mean,
secant square of x dx. And then there's one extra one, right? 4 times negative 1 is
negative 4.
negative 4 integral of dx.